All right, welcome to Build the Look, Light the Shot. We're with model Jalyssa today, where we put a look together on the fly. We've got hair, makeup, we've got the clothing put together, which Jalyssa helped me with. We'll show you what the shots look like using grids and then the difference of what they look like when we take those grids off. And we'll also use two lights to start off with, but then we're going to take one of those lights away and get a little moody with just a one light setup. And we'll be using a beauty dish today. I don't drag that baby out very often, but when I do, well, I guess we'll see what happens. I will be tethering wirelessly into EVOTO AI, which is really cool. All of my edits are done in EVOTO AI, and they've got a huge sale going on right now just in time for peak season. Use my code GKP25 and my bio link to get up to 25% off. This one is kind of what I
think this would go. I feel like
leaning
it
towards
like
too.
all the colors.
Yep, I think you're right. Turn my lights off. I just want to get a shot with no lights, and it should be fairly dark. So this is what it looks like in the room. Even though I have all this light going on for the video cameras, that's what my camera is seeing with my camera settings. And so what that tells me is that the only lights in this shot are going to be these two flashes. Next thing I'm going to do is dial in this backlight. So that's going to be your spot, right? Yep, perfect right there. So shot number one. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. Just want to make sure it's hitting you. So now we can see it a little better. So we have some light that's actually hitting you on that side. And then we'll turn this one on and we'll put it at about 6. So that one's 5, this one's 6. And I just want to see what that looks like. What do you think? You think it should be brighter? Like a brighter vibe or a moody vibe?
I don't know. I like this, but I also am down to see what it would look like brighter.
Let's see what the difference is without the grid. And I'll show you. For one, the light's going to be brighter because this in front of the light. So I'm going to bring the light, the main one, down to about from 6 to 5 because I already know it's going to be brighter by taking that off. And then it's also going to spread. Let's see the difference. And I think it's still going to be a little bright. Let's see. No, it's good. So now we have, bring it back over here because we're getting a little bit of shadow. Let's bring you a little forward. Yep, a little bit forward because I'm getting the shadow back there that I'm not really loving. So now, not as much shadow. There's some on the floor, but it's not bothering me. I like it. It's depth, right? So the many shots I like to get some motion shots, especially when we have clothing that she can spin around in, and that works really well. So I like to get those action shots, and then I like to get some close-up shots, head and shoulder shots, make sure we get those at different angles. This is her side, so I really like the way these came out. I even moved her closer to that little strip box just to get the softest light possible. And then here we're getting some 3/4 half-length shots. I was asking her to just kind of put the jacket to the sides because we don't want to see just the jacket. We want to see the entire outfit, and you see the resulting shots using mainly that one light, and that beauty dish was being used there just to fill shadows at a very, very low power. And then finally we get some accessories and some close-up shots here of just headshots, the jacket, and the necklace, which I thought looked really cool. So 4 slightly different looks and 4 lighting configurations were done.